That's all. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
That's all. Yeah,
hello, I'm greeting. Mom, what is it?
Boko.
Oh, John, do it my child now.
That's all. Yeah, the diner KJC. Na KJC chair say. Yamra say na dine one number 2 favor no.
More per die.
Bachai.
Na KJC na chance momra.
Bachai.
Okay, very good. Me am in Firano. I'm the landlord of this house. Yeah. And a room should be brave or and the type room type now open.
Oh, sorry. Patch up a flat.
No, what chamber horse self container.
Only flat.
And you'll beat him. The chamber horse self container.
Okay, okay, mommy. Okay, mommy.
And also month 300 cities.
Month 300.
Maybe about 2 years advance, which is 7,200. Yeah. Oh, you okay, some of
you okay,
yeah.
Yeah.
What up?
Chamber. I see room self-contained. No, is it chamber?
Chamber horse self-contained. I
don't know. Month 300 Ghana.
Who want to be?
No.
I don't. Why do you want to go from Jamaica?
From Nigeria.
Why is 300?
Why Nigerian?
Yeah.
Why Nigerian?
Yeah.
Why Nigerian?
Nigerian.
Ghana ni. And not why Nigerian? For what reason? And for what purpose? What love?
I love him.
Oh, you love who?
What is happening?
Mommy, be catchful. Me fear her men Nigeria for. Me to Nigeria ni enter me fear. Me to many are comfort as that to bottom force and if phobia emetra me fear. And this okuni Nigeria ni dia if you are menjo ubetim no kunako. Simple.
Supposed to be Nigerian and he says you don't give this dirty house to Nigeria.
You call my house dirty house.
Wait, honey, explain things to me when you are talking.
I'm saying this my house. I'm not going to give to Nigerians for rent.
For what reason?
For the reason is that
go back.
The reason is that I can't stay with Nigeria people. So if you are from Nigeria, it means I can't stay with you. That is the reason. So you must go away from my house.
You are mad.
I'm mad.
You are crazy.
You are mine.
Sins. How can you tell me say because I'm a Nigerian so you cannot give me your room to me? So are you getting crazy?
You have authority.
I have the audacity. I have august
ability and energy to come to my house, my built house, to insult me.
Waga, who be you? So we have money self. I cannot brag about ourselves like this.
You have money self,
and then you yourself where you don't have nothing. Where you come yourself like pumping like you won't come fly.
Waga, if you have money, go and buy land and build your house. Simple. It's not my house.
We have a house. So
let me tell you.
Then go and stay your house.
This Ataka.
Or no Nigeria near Obube.
Where you go carry gun go?
And you more.
Let me tell you.
Ghana for my bimu no mapa for no money. Or for my dimachi.
Master Shoka.
Oh, get out.
Oh, far from
and ya dia funu kwase abuo. Ah, pe be ma bunu kwase a. E ka be ko fa be ma ri na tra. Be ma na nim sa ku tire.
Richie, the cost Mr. Another yes,
me Timmy fear me dream me ho am pen wasem. Mami by was so behind them. And I'm so behind them here. No problem or down. Me kunu ko be na or Nigeria ni. And I'm so oh raba me dying there me from Nigeria for. So who Ghana ni na rent there. I can give it to you. But Nigeria person.
One kind of bokosa.
Me and na man kan bokwa me see me yellow
papa who be you? Who be me?
Alikoto, who be you?
I be tenant.
Hi, oh God.
Poverty they kill human being for this country. Tenant.
Tell them.
When are people they stand there to talk? How can you not tenant to come and talk?
Tell them.
Nah, landlord they talk. When you come stand there, if I say you don't come fly, what you want to?
Tell them.
Your problem no day. Landlord, let me tell you. Today will be the first and the last. When you come to know somebody's house, where you go throw your hand. My wife, what you did, they still about body where you stand there.
Tell them.
When the last time when you gonna this na body?
Body you go chop.
You
better move from my house. Else, what go happen to you? You will never regret.
You call this thing for house?
Yes.
This now Ghana people say, what are you call it? Akukobu.
And you are coming to rent.
Hey, I'm Trawatis.
Akukobu. This is your house.
Yeah, Kukwana.
But I said they would join them.
Why Yakuko or something?
Yeah.
Mommy, Tiramin country and Kounyan Sassam. Say Ghana need.
If you are talking, throw it down your hand. Bring it down. Don't drop to my hand like this.
If you pray with me, the way I go slap you, you can never eat in 10 months. And you can never eat any food which contain pepper. Because if I slap you, all your mouth inside go tear.
I swear.
See, when you dey Nigeria, my country, they go use your head for ngongo. What if one day you na makana go buku? Tuba kaya na makana kama take.
What's wrong with this man?
If you talk to me, I will slap you. Never go. What go more? Come on, Jaya Nama. Go and cast the key. Go man, come back, cast the key. Abokasia. And you knew.
Let's go. Hey! So you come to my house to beat me? I will arrest you. I will let police to arrest you people. Robbers. I said this man. Landlord. You go say. Hey! Any money I go chop. See me. Men kind of bonnet. I call on Yakuma. We're dear growth in Nigeria and whatever. Opiameno. I say electric man shall come. I find me Lamida for. Every time I say me pen Nigeria new. Once the first day I behind dying. Me show when ma show Rasta. I show what Tibiani said you know what's your PS Somalia. And me say, are you a Nigerian? You say no. And I'm just offering him. Okay, so come crying.
Me free aboaso tonso aboaso
you can tonso aboaso na me say very good and tonso aboaso nya mampon road nya mamejeo ba wo kra nteme tu wo permato kesie too much a branch wo betena obi fie de bia do ba fro beda e de na nkwa pe no wiase landlord say and na wo fo ba kwa anka fa ba wo yetetea e ma kesefo no omo tumodu omo sisimodu omo pempeme dan na no mu bubu dan no hwe wa apartment bia wote no e dan achi nyina krake ada o de man ta dan no ho na fa wo ma na
landlord u be wu a me be ka bia ma no aza dan na asem na
ba ye bu mutumi ye dai froko awo na ene na ka papa na wonni ne wo si no nua bi ne mi a wo ba ye bo me no rasta man ka wo be dwa ho adwa atade wo be gina ba ye waga ma wo pie metwofo ma wieko metu
landlord na o kla o so wa che me na ye u se na me
na ka so wo tifi anya bema everything na oba be trefi am gina me je bema na ntokoba you can fight for me.
And they say me to me fight for you. Now I say, I say, why don't you say if you're a meet me for no better on talk of you?
Shasako Pato, no, mamma, I can't sound no mamma. I'll be here with her. Rasta, my dear, Rasta, my Bianca, what didn't yet? Oh, been to cover my commotion. Now, Rasta, my own fresh boy, farm boy, who shall ask to a note of it after one. Rasta, my baby. Why a fake Rasta?
Maybe a Rasta man mentioned here.